How to fix a frozen screen on your MacBook Air M5. In case you're having this issue, I'll show you two different things you can do. So first of all, if your screen is frozen on an app, but the rest of the computer is working, so let me just open a random app here, Apple Music, okay, perfect. You can force quit this app. So how does it work? Well, let me show you the keyboard over here. You'll need to press Command, Option, and Escape. So Command, Option, and also the Escape button here. So press all these three buttons at the same time. You're going to get this window. Select the app you want to force quit, the app that is frozen. Click force quit, and the app is gone. Unfortunately, you'll be able to use your MacBook afterwards. Now, if this doesn't work, maybe your screen is completely frozen. Nothing happens when you do this combination of keys. What you can do is to keep press your Touch ID button over here. You see the one, the top right corner. Keep it pressed during 15 seconds. No matter what happens on the screen, don't lift your finger. I'll do it with you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, after 15 seconds, lift your finger. Wait 5 seconds, okay, doesn't have to be long. And then press again on that button. Okay, keep press until you see the Apple logo appearing on the display. I'm keeping it pressed. I'm waiting. Okay, the Apple logo came. I can lift my finger and now the computer will boot up as usual and it will be unfrozen once you log in into your account. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, comment if one of these tips helped you out. Comment if you have another trick. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.